Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Um this is me refreshing my kitchen. Hey, I'm showing you this rolling stick because I don't understand why it keeps getting the mold. Whenever I put it in the drawer, it's get the mold, and I honestly don't know where else to place it. And yeah, this is the state of my kitchen slash sitting room. Because you can obviously see the sitting room. I am planning to remove every single thing from this kitchen and redo it I mean, like, wipe it down or throw the things that I actually don't need anymore. And yes, this is me, like, literally showing you every single thing how it is. Some are kind of okay, and some are in really bad space. So please enjoy, guys, and do not forget to please like, and please subscribe. Yes, and tell me the kind of content do you want to see. Do you want to see this content of house cleaning or like cooking, or do you want to see more content of on plugs? But yeah, enjoy. At this point, this is my fridge, and it was smelling so bad. You know, when like there is no electricity for some time, and the water kind of like melts, and then the fridge starts smelling so bad. So yeah, that was the situation in this fridge. I decided to obviously remove every single thing. I washed it and wiped it down. Yeah, at the end, you will see me using wipe cloth where I put some vinegar in it. So after I finished washing it, I put some vinegar in a washcloth, and I just wiped it down. Yes, so the vinegar, it helps to remove the smell, any odor in the house. You know, like, for example, whenever you are cooking in the house, and then there's like, maybe you are cooking meat or fish or something that is smelling quite strong, and you want to like finish that smell, you kind of put some vinegar in a cup and place it on the counter and just let it sit there for some time. It will remove all that odor. Yeah. Honestly, this is the most annoying thing to wash in the fridge. Like, it doesn't have any formula to do it. Like, it's just annoying. How do you do it, guys? Do you have like an idea of how to do it much faster and much easier to kind of make it a little bit exciting? Please let me know. It at this point that I realized that I had not even removed this part, and it just came off when I was wiping it down. So it was really dirty. To be very honest, for the time I've stayed with this fridge, I've never removed this part because I didn't know that it usually come off. So at this point, I had an unexpected visitor. So I had to literally pause on my cleaning and washing, and I started to make some dinner. Some lunch for him. We usually don't take lunch in our house. Literally, whenever we take like breakfast, it's really enough to like last us to till evening. So that's why I didn't have any idea of what to cook. So I rushed to the shop. I got some skuma, and there, as you saw me, I made it for him. And I went back to zero in my cleaning because the house literally became worse than it was in the beginning because everything was everywhere. And yeah, so I finished. I served my visitor. He went home, and I resumed to do my washing. So here I am wiping it. I have just wiped it down with the vinegar, as I told you. Now I'm just wiping it up and putting things back. As you can see, it's looking cute and clean. I like the white part. I think if I will buy a different fridge, I will actually buy a white fridge. I don't know, it just have like that clean look to it. But again, my dim color is actually gray. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. So yeah, at this point, I had to literally remove some of the utensils because some of them were actually dry. And these are fridge papers. I usually reuse them. So I wash it, I dry it, and then I just put it back and use it another time because we gotta have to protect the environment, you guys. Yeah, if you have not seen my video, please check it out where I show you when I went to Kamokonji to buy all those spices and the spice jars. It's quite an interesting video. So these spice jars, they are literally immediately above the cooker, so it usually get like kind of oily. You know, when you put something over the cooker, it usually get the oil kinda. Yeah, so that's why you can see me wiping it down because it was oily. And yeah,
I begin to I begin to
it at this point, I realized that I had this uji flour that was still in that had kind of stayed. So I decided to make some what do you call it? Sour uji. I really love my sour uji, but unfortunately for me, the flour was kind of spoiled to the point that the uji didn't. It was also spoiled by the time I was cooking it, so I didn't get to enjoy it. I had these arrowroots that were just we had in the morning. So I decided to like peel them off and put them in the fridge so that we can eat them another day. Also, I went to the market and brought some things, as you can see. So this is me removing them and like washing them and put them where they're supposed to be, you know. Yeah.
You're mine for sure.
So I am done with my kitchen refresh. As you can see, guys, the kitchen is looking beautiful. Those are my vegetables that I've just washed. I will just dry them up and put them in the fridge. And yeah, the utensils, I need them to dry. I put them back where they're supposed to be. My counter is clean. That is some mother on the counter that I just placed there that I will, so that it can like cool, like it's kind of warm up, and then we'll eat ugari later with it. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video till this far. And I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. Yes. Make sure to check the other videos up, and please subscribe if you have not. Thank you.